keyboard attachment. Doubles as a case that wraps around both sides. Doesn't require charging or pairing, it just works. And flap can't shut off the screen or close magnetically. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3's keyboard attachment is worth the extra money if you're looking to substitute this tablet for a laptop. Its grand layout and necessity is still usable, with decent travel when you hit the plastic keys, and all the important keys are here. What's missing? There are no function keys along the top. We're okay with that, and it's sorely missing a home button, requiring you to reach for the fingerprint home sensor on the tablet and possibly knocking your coffee over in the process. We'd also like to see the search key bring up Google Search instead of Google Now on tap, requiring an extra screen press for the search bar. A good amount of travel on these plastic keys. Everything folds up nicely, enveloping the tablet in a soft plastic cover on both sides. That's a big plus. Apple's iPad Pro keyboard cover only protects the front screen, and aluminum does dent, much like glass shatters. Samsung basically throws in a back cover for free. Best of all, there's no need for Bluetooth pairing or charging. The keyboard has 6 pogo pins above the top row of keys, and these magnetically clip to the Tab S3 side frame. Samsung has its own version of the smart connector. We just wish its magnets were stronger. Picking the tablet up by the screen often detaches the bottom part of the keyboard. Luckily the back, where there are more magnets, stays secured. The end of the screen cover should also be magnetic, and should turn off the screen when closed. It doesn't. Instead, it can flap open if you're not careful.